Hello guys, in this video we will see Rocket League queue times to long hairs. Why, how to fix it. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Optimize your matchmaking settings. Content. The most immediate way to reduce queue times is to broaden your search parameters and your cross-platform. Play is enabled in your settings. As this significantly expands the pool of available players from all platforms. PlayStation, Xbox, Switch. Additionally, select multiple regions for matchmaking. If your ping allows prioritizing those geographically closest to you, actively queue for several popular game mods simultaneously, with doubles and with standard rather than just one, to maximize your chances of finding a match quickly.
Step play during peak hours and popular mods. Content queue times are heavily influenced by player population. Identify the peak playing hours in your region, which typically occur during evenings and weekends. During off-peak times, early mornings, weekdays, player counts are lower, leading to longer waits. Furthermore, stick to the most popular competitive mods like doubles and standard. Extra mods, rumble, dropshot, hoops, nowadays, and casual playlists generally have fewer players, especially outside of prime time, resulting in extended queue durations.
Step verify your connection and server status. Content. A poor or unstable internet connection can make it difficult for the matchmaking system to place you in a game, leading to longer queues or dropped matches. Ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming beyond your local network. Check the official Rocket League server status page or reputable community channels like Psyonix official Twitter for any online server outages or maintenance. If the game servers are experiencing issues, your queue times will be affected regardless of your settings or local connection. Step understand more impact and regional selection. Content. Your matchmaking rating can sometimes contribute to longer queues, especially if you are at very high or very low ends of the skill spectrum. The system requires a closer match to your narrowing the available player pool. Additionally, reevaluate your chosen matchmaking region. While selecting a distant region might seem to offer more players, the increased latency can negatively impact gameplay and potentially slow down matchmaking. If the system struggles to find stable connections, stick to regions where your ping is consistently low and stable.
Step perform basic troubleshooting. Accept limitations. Content. Sometimes long queue times can be resolved by simple troubleshooting steps. Try restarting Rocket League, your game console, or your to clear any temporary software glitches that might be affecting the game's connection to matchmaking servers. If all else fails, and you've optimized every setting, it's possible that the queue times are simply a product of extremely low player counts or the specific mod or time you're attempting to play. In such cases, the only viable solution is often to wait longer, switch to a more popular mod, or try playing at a different time.